The sun rose gently over the quiet village, painting the sky with brilliant orange and soft pink, casting a warm glow over everything it touched. Hina sat quietly on the porch, her brother Shahbaz beside her, both savoring a rare moment of peace before the day's worries began. Their bond was unspoken but strong, a silent promise to always protect and stand by each other no matter what. Hina's stories of magical birds became their secret escape, a way to dream beyond their daily struggles and imagine a world full of wonder. That morning, a collared dove appeared on the wall, its eyes reflecting a quiet sadness that felt strangely familiar. Unlike other birds, it stayed close, cooing softly as if sharing a secret only the children could understand. Hina named her Fakhra, and soon the gentle bird became her silent companion, always nearby. Every day, Hina shared her roti with Fakhra, breaking off small pieces with care. In return, Fakhra offered comfort and a sense of calm that Hina had never known before. This friendship was Hina's spark of hope, a quiet rebellion against her hardships and a reminder that kindness could change everything. In Fakhra's eyes, Hina sensed magic and the promise of a different, brighter future waiting just beyond the horizon. It was the beginning of a story that would change everything, filling their lives with hope and possibility. Peace never lasted long. Jamila, their stepmother, shattered it with harsh commands. Hina's days were filled with endless chores, her spirit tested by Jamila's cruelty. Shahbaz watched helplessly, wishing he could ease his sister's sadness. Yet, Fakhra's presence gave Hina quiet strength. Fakhra's loyalty reminded her she wasn't alone, helping her endure Jamila's wrath with quiet dignity. Jamila, feeling threatened by Hina's resilience and her bond with the bird, grew more suspicious. She tried to shoo Fakhra away, but Fakhra always returned, unafraid. The courtyard became a quiet battlefield, Jamila's cruelty versus Hina's growing hope. One stormy night, amidst the howling winds and relentless rain, Hina discovered Fakhra, an injured bird, struggling outside her home. Braving the torrential rain, she gently carried the bird inside, quietly tending to its wounded wing with care and compassion. Throughout the night, Hina whispered soothing words, her bond with Fakhra deepening with each passing hour. At dawn, to her amazement, she found 3 shimmering silver coins in the basket, an impossible, magical gift that defied explanation. Hina hid the coins, aware that their secret was both precious and potentially dangerous. That day, Jamila's anger flared over money issues, but Hina remained silent, guarding her secret. The coins became a symbol of trust and a silent promise between Hina and Fakhra. Jamila noticed a new light in Hina's eyes, which only fueled her growing suspicion and unease. The secret gave Hina hope for a brighter future, but also put her in greater danger than she realized. Fakhra's gift was more than just silver. It was a promise of change and transformation. Hina clung to this newfound hope, even as Jamila's obsession with the truth grew stronger. The storm had brought both danger and a glimpse of magic, intertwining their fates in unexpected ways. Jamila's suspicion slowly turned into a burning obsession. She watched Hina's every move, desperate to uncover the secret she sensed was being hidden from her. One fateful night, unable to resist her curiosity, Jamila crept silently into Hina's room and was stunned to find it bathed in an otherworldly blue light. In the woven basket, she witnessed Fakhra transform before her eyes into a radiant jinn princess, her magnificent wings shimmering with magical blue energy. Jamila was instantly paralyzed with fear as the jinn's piercing gaze seemed to expose every ounce of cruelty and jealousy she had ever felt. Overwhelmed by the dazzling magic and her own guilt, Jamila fainted, leaving the secret safe for now, hidden from the world. The next morning, Shahbaz discovered Jamila lying on the floor and, confused, asked Hina about the strange blue light he thought he saw. Fakhra, now appearing as an ordinary dove once more, calmly preened her newly healed wing in the gentle morning sunlight. Hina now faced a difficult choice: Should she keep the magic hidden to protect Fakhra or finally share the truth with her curious brother? Fakhra's story and the hope she brought had only just begun, promising new adventures for all of them.